My 2010 Yamaha R6 gets some track day mods for the 2023 season. Long story short, I purchased these items based off of my previous track days. I'm a novice rider. I got some MotoGP Gambino grips. I got a keyless billet aluminum gas cap and a zero gravity Corsa style clear windscreen. This stuff's not gonna make me any faster, but it will make my track day experience a little better. So first things first, the gas cap. Now, I don't like pulling the key out of the ignition every single time I have to check my fuel level. It's really annoying. And eventually I want to delete the key, so the OEM gas cap had to go. Next up, we have the windscreen. So, as you can probably see, this OEM windscreen is super dark and it's short in height, so it doesn't provide good wind protection when I'm fully tucked. So I opted for a clear zero gravity windscreen with a taller shield for better wind protection, and I'm just gonna be able to see through it. And last we have the grips. So grips are more of a personal preference. I prefer to have a very textured grip. The OEM grips are a little thicker and they're very smooth and kind of old. And I noticed I was having to readjust my throttle hand a lot, and I like to keep my hands very relaxed, so being able to keep contact between my gloves and the grips is a priority. And these domino grips are a dual compound design, so the inner is firm and the outer is soft. It's super grippy, it's got that texture to it. The downside of that is they probably won't last very long compared to a more firm feeling grip. The grips are only like $20, so it doesn't really matter. Buy some more, put them on, it's whatever. I like to safety wire things. It's more of a personal preference. I know when I ride my street bike out on the public roads, I never have to worry about losing an oil drain bolt or just having some bolt pop off or back off on the engine. That would leave me stranded, and it's just more of a safety thing. The deeper down the rabbit hole you go into the track day riding world, you'll find that there's a lot more requirements for safety wire. Organizations are going to want you to safety wire a lot more stuff on your bike just to make sure that you don't lose anything out on the track and ruin someone else's day. But yeah, that's going to be it for now. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching the video. I'm going to be doing a track day in about 2 weeks from now, so I'm basically just going to be going over the learning curve and just sharing that with you guys. Basically the road from a novice to not novice. Yeah, do all that YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you.
Deboxbeats. Deboxbeats.